we're going to use pine nuts because in Italian cooking, you know, they use a lot of pine.
Pignoli.
Pignoli. Very good, Jacques. I'm going to put those in here. Why don't you stir those around?
Okay.
Stir those around till they're brown, and I'm going to go get my fish.
Okay.
Because I'm going to use flounder. And for those of you who don't know, flounder is in the flatfish family, right, Jacques?
Yes.
So there it is.
Wow, this is nice.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So I just want to get these fragrant, these pine nuts, and we're going to have some spinach. Here's some spinach. And all we did was take 16 ounces of spinach, wash the spinach leaves, and put it in a pot and just cooked it down without any additional water. So maybe what you can do is just chop that.
1 pound of spinach, you see what's left in it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really good.
And you really want
Do
to...
you want it fine or just?
No, just chop. Just chopped.
Chop coarsely. Okay.
I'm going to take... Now I can smell the pine nuts, so I'm going to take them out and put them in a bowl.
Okay.
So there they are. They're nice and brown. You got to watch those because you don't want that to burn. I'm going to turn this down now.
And you want your spinach in there?
I want my spinach in here. I'm going to put a little bit more olive oil in here.
Okay.
Jacques, okay, put that in.
This is French olive oil, right?
No,
Just kidding,
well,
just
no,
kidding.
no, no. Well,
Okay.
you know, French olive oil is wonderful, but this happens to be Italian olive oil. So in goes a little olive oil, and we're going to give this just a little bit of salt. A little salt, a pinch of salt, and I like to use some celery salt with this.
Oh, good.
So here's some celery salt. That
want
goes
some garlic?
in. I want some garlic.
You want it chopped?
I want it minced. Minced fine, because that's going to be part of the sauce. So you move the spinach around just for a few minutes, and then what I'm going to add to this, Jacques, is just a little heavy cream.
Oh, good.
I'm just going to put just about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream just to give that.
Julia would be proud of you.
Yeah, she would, to give this a little bit of richness.
Do you want the garlic now?
Now, first we're going to let this sit in the pot.
Okay.
Now the garlic, I'm going to put in a different pot. So just a second, let me lower that. So we now have that, and let me move this over. So now, see how fast this is? I'm going to turn this on.
That's it.
And we're going to get that garlic soft in a little bit of oil again, just a bit of oil. So a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Let's get the garlic in, put the garlic in. And I'm just going to cook that down slowly for, about 5 minutes.
Oh boy.
That's all I'm going to do to this. And that garlic flavors this cream nicely.
That smells good. I can smell that garlic.
Doesn't it smell good?
Here.
Okay.
Yes.
We're going to cook these at high heat. You know, Jacques is just heating that tuna up at 200 degrees. But for this dish, I want to cook the fish at a fairly high temperature, 425 degrees, for a short period of time, about 10 minutes, I would say. So I'm going to just brush a pan with a little bit of olive oil, and then Jacques,
Yeah.
this is how this goes. Let's get it.
And I have those
Okay,
extra.
take one. Take the fish,
Uh-huh.
this side up. Here's one for you.
Okay.
And we take some of this mixture. I like to use my hands, Jacques, you know, it's a lot easier.
Well, this is the
Okay,
best.
all right.
Best equipment
Okay.
in the kitchen.
You never get to know what food is really like unless you use your fingers. This is how I say.
Yeah,
So
you
now
have
I
to-
spread.
Oh,
Spread.
that's good. Looks
Spread it
good.
on. You do that one. Spread some on. We have enough here for 4. And then I roll.
You roll starting at the tail or at the head?
It doesn't matter. I roll starting at
So
the
I'll-
head,
so
so it's nice and fluffy.
At the head also.
Yeah, okay. And put it right in the bake dish.
Okay. look
Okay.
at that.
Whoops, let me turn this down so that I got that all ready now. All right, here's another one for you.
Okay.
And one from now. Would you eat this? You would eat this if you came to my house?
Are you kidding?
Okay, all right.
I'm
so
going to eat it later.
we're
when
going to make
when we finish the show.
we're going to make this really, really rich because we're going to add that cream as
Yeah, you need a
our.
little more
I need
here.
a little bit more. Okay, so we're going to roll those
Oh,
up
the
again.
pignoli.
Look at how easy this is. So simple. This is a great company dish. Took no time at all. If you start with really fresh ingredients, you
Yep.
are all set. So you want to
Okay.
wash your hands?
I'll clean
Okay.
up the table.
All
See,
right,
I was
good.
well
I
trained
love
at
having
home.
him in my kitchen.
Yeah,
All
my
right,
my
now-
wife trained me well, I tell you.
She did. Now a little bit of olive oil over the top of the fish. A little bit of sea salt over the top. A little pepper. Later on, we'll add some lemon juice. Those are all ready to go. So they're into a 425-degree oven. So in they go.